Esquire from Italy. Pete, the acceleration has happened again. The group of 8 has now gone down to 5, and that's an impressive surge. They're actually trying to make that front cycle as small as possible, and it'll be interesting to see if they then work effectively together to try and keep the rest of the group at bay. We do know that obviously the last 5K is trying to get out of the wind a little bit, but here is our champion from 2013 doing his best to try and hang tough. Get some split for you in a moment. Come on guys, this Team Australia coming through. This is Dylan Evans, everybody. Okay, the top three went through there. 53.09.
Thank you. Oh, that way. Oh, okay. Route 9. 3
Stand up.